Hey guys, my name is Alex. Welcome to my first video. Have you ever seen ads on Amazon and Wish saying that you could receive 4K action cameras for under 20 bucks, which they state are actually just like the Pro GoPros? Well, I did, and I bought one just to see how good they are. So this is the Victor 4K action cam, which I think is actually good. So let's see how action cameras like this actually perform. Intro. Hey guys, my name is Alex, and if it's your first time on this channel, consider subscribing. This YouTube channel is all about learning new types of tech and learning new things every day. So today I just have a quick review on the Victor AC600 4K Wi-Fi action cam, which I got from Amazon for $22 actually. So just by looking at the box, I can see that it is a premium 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD camera from the manufacturer Victor. Looking at the back, there are some specifications: 4K video capture. Finally, 30-meter waterproof capabilities with 20-inch LCD display. It also states at the back of the camera that during the quick unboxing, we were able to see the camera comes in a premium box, which also has many accessories. In the front of the camera, I'm able to see a lens which is supposed to be 16 megapixel lens, and also there's the logo of the manufacturer and the power button, and on the back we can see a LCD display. Similarly, on the top of the camera we can see on the right hand side, we have a microphone and two up and down buttons. The left hand side, there is a SD card slot which goes up to 32 gigs. Along with that is a mini HDMI port, which is used to display the content, and a micro USB port for charging. Let's do some real world tests to see if this camera is actually worth your money. So here I am outside, and I have some footage that I took, and if you look at it closely, you could see the difference. So the wide angle lens is actually pretty wide, but not quite 170. I don't think so. More like 130 or 140. The kind of footage for 1080 60 hertz is pretty good, but the 4K on the other hand, on 25 hertz is not very good. It's buffering, and we can also see that the colors aren't that bright also on the 4K. In my case, the microphone on this camera is actually pretty good. Now let's talk about menu navigation. So when you first go into this device, you're introduced to the menu, and it's pretty smooth. Whether you're going through the settings to change the resolution of your video, or you're trying to view the previously taken footage. Just to let you know, all these things which we're doing here can be done on also the mobile app, which you can download from the Play Store. Both the app and the camera itself were able to change some basic settings like the format, the exposure, and the resolution for shooting it. in my opinion, shooting in 1080p 60Hz would be the best choice for you. Although 4K is possible on this camera, it's not very good. So now let's go into the app interface. You have to go into the settings, turn on Wi-Fi on your action cam and boot your device. Then go into the iSmart TV app, which could be found in the App Store. Then you connect your device, and then you're in a screen where you have a quick preview of what the camera is looking at. Then you're able to click on the gear button and go into a menu where you're able to change all the settings. For example, frequency, data stamp, storage, and resolution. And when you go back to the preview, you can switch to camera mode and video mode on the bottom right corner. There is some latency when it comes to that, but it's still usable. Conclusion time, everyone. You might be thinking, what's the whole point of this video? I just wanted you to understand what you'll be getting for an action camera, which is $20. So some questions you might be having right now is, who would use a product like this? And I say that if you're on a tight budget and need something to do the job, you could buy this. Or else, if you're looking for a dash cam in the market, most dash cams don't have wide angle lens as advertised, and this does have a wide angle lens, and I think this would be a great 1080p dash cam. Yeah. And next steps for overall, this camera is good, I can't lie, but the next steps for improvements for this company would be improving the stability of the product. Overall, the video capture is pretty bad, but it could do the job, and if they shouldn't advertise it as 4K if it actually isn't. And they need to improve the durability of the product. It already broke for me. In my case, it already broke. And if it's in the waterproof case, it would be fine. But if you take it out, it's really fragile. So if you're looking for something which is how you want it to be durable and you need stability, well, I don't think you should buy like something pretty cheap. You gotta go above and beyond for those kind of cameras. But overall, this is good. So thanks for watching, everyone. So comment. I've linked all the descriptions for products like this in the description below. Go check it out and comment below what you think of this product. Would you buy one? Do you already have a dash cam? Do you have a GoPro?